Good afternoon, children. I'm your English teacher and I will take your grammar as well as English literature of class 4. So, hope all of you are fine at home and you are eating healthy food and doing a lot of exercises. So, this is a time of crisis. So, this time you need to stay well and you need to stay home. As you are staying at home, you also need to do a lot of physical exercises in order to keep yourself healthy and fit. You also need to wash your hands at regular intervals and stay healthy and clean. You always keep yourself clean at this time. Okay, this coronavirus, this infection is very dangerous for you children as well as everybody around the world is affected, and we are in a very troublesome situation nowadays. So we have to carry on our classes in this procedure. So let's get started into the class. Now see children, we will start with our first chapter, that is nouns. Nouns, as you have already done, you are much familiar with this term noun. Okay, noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal and thing. Say for example, person, boy, child, doctor, police, watchman, whatever. Okay, etc. etc. Place, school, home, park, playground, garden, anything. Animal, cat, dog, bird. These are all names of animals. Things. Things can be table, chair, wood, tree. Okay. Now see, children, as we have already done these in our previous classes, I hope you remember what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. Names of person, place, animal and thing is known as noun. Now I will read to you children this small paragraph in which we have some nouns, okay, which is underlined with red. I can see many hills. There is snow on some of the hills. There are trees too. I can see a stream in the valley. A goat is drinking water. Many flowers and bushes are growing near it. It is beautiful. Now see children, over here, hills, snow, hills, trees, streams, valley, water, flower, bushes, all these are nouns. Okay. So nouns can be further divided into two groups. Okay. What? Do you remember? In our earlier classes we did common noun and proper noun. What is a common noun and what is a proper noun? Though in this chapter we do not have this, but still for your information, you need to know what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. So I'm writing over here, see children, proper noun, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper nouns, and this is common noun. See, now see children, common noun and proper noun. Common noun and proper noun are different from each other. They are not the same. Proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Now see for example, person. To say the name of a boy. Names of a boy. You can name a boy as Ronit, R-O-N-I-T. I'm writing over here. Okay. See, name of a person. Okay, person. Now, it is the name of a person. Now, common noun. Where is common noun? Boy. You can just write magician. Magician. I cannot see over there. Yes. Magician. Magician. Any magician. Okay. Over here, it is a common noun because it does not specify a particular magician. So Ronit is the name of a particular person. So it is a proper noun. Now place. I'm just giving you one example. Place. The name of a place. I'm writing Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Name of a place. It is the name of a place. See, children, it is the name of a place. Okay, particular place. Okay, everyone knows about Taj Mahal. Animal. And any place. If we just say in common noun example, we can draw. For example, I'm writing name of common place. Say for example, garden. Garden. Is it a name? Okay. This is a general name given to a place. Any general name given to a place is known as common noun, but a particular name given to a place is known as proper noun. Now, animal. Animal for animal. See, for example, Bruno. Bruno is name of a dog. You cannot see it. Let me make it visible to you. Okay, see, Bruno is the name of a dog. Now, if we say dog, any dog, it means any dog in general. We mean any dog in general. Now see, children, think. I need to turn the page. So any thing. Again I am writing proper and common thing. What you have, proper noun and common noun thing. What you have, you tell me an example of a thing. Just you think. You cannot tell me now, but you can think. Tell me example of a thing. Okay. So yes. Mers. If you write a Maruti car, okay, so that means a Maruti car. A Maruti is a particular name given to the car. But if we just write car, it is a general name given to that thing. So, did you understand, children? Let me make you clear with this again. Ronit is the name of a person. So it is a particular person. It is a proper noun. Magician is a common name given to any person. Okay, it can be any magician. Taj Mahal is a particular name of a place. Bruno is a particular name of a dog. Garden is any common place. Dog is any common Okay, general name. Maruti car is a particular name given to a car. Car is a common noun. Now see children, I'm reading headlines of some headline of a newspaper. Okay, over here it is written man lands on moon. So man over here is what? Common noun. Moon is also common noun. Famous magician Bozo to perform in China today. Now see children, over here famous magician Bozo. Magician over here is a common noun. Okay, and Bozo over here is proper noun. Why? Because it denotes a name of a particular person. Chennai also is a proper noun because it denotes the name of a particular country. Okay, the particular city. Sorry, it is city. Canada honors Superman. So Canada again is a name of a particular country and it honors Superman. Superman is name of a particular character. So both are proper noun. Issues coins with his image. So Canada, as Canada honors Superman, that country issues coins with the image of Superman. Okay, so coin and images are what? Common noun. So children, what you will do in your homework is, you will, in this newspaper headline there are many nouns. You will make a column like this, proper noun and common noun, and you will write on one side, and this side you will write the proper nouns. Okay, like see man, you can find proper noun Bozo. You can write over here Chennai. Okay, common noun man, moon, this side. Okay, you will write in your fair copy. Okay, English language fair copy. You will do this homework as a homework, and I hope all of you have made a language copy. Single line copy you will make as your language copy, language as literature. Okay, different copies should be made for English language and English literature, and you are going to do these homeworks, and I am also going to send you some worksheets which you will do at home. Okay, so for today you will learn this much. Okay, children, I have jotted down some exercise for you also to understand, for you to understand better. Okay, now see over here what it is written. Over here I will solve this for you. You don't have to do this for homework, but at homework what I will give you as a snapshot in your WhatsApp group, I will give you the worksheets that you will do at home in your fair copy. Over here, see how you are going to do this. Read the following sentences and underline the nouns in each sentence. See, there is a beautiful village on this hill. So what is a noun over here? What is a noun? What do you think is a noun? There is a beautiful naming word. Find the naming word. What is the naming word over here? Naming word village. I found one naming word over here, that is the village. So village, it is name of a place. Okay, so hill. Hill is also a naming word. Okay, the houses are made of wood. So what are made of wood? The houses. So this is also a naming word. House. Houses. Made of what? Wood. Okay. So this wood is thing, and house is a place to live in. House. Houses is place. Okay. Tall trees around. There are many tall trees around the cottages. Now see, tall trees. Trees are the common noun. Cottages are also common noun. Cottages are also common noun. Okay. Now this is it. Now I'm also going to give you some exercise on your worksheet exercise, which you are going to do at home. Okay, so let's do a quick revision. Nouns are name of place, person, animal or thing. So for example, person can be boy, child, doctor, police, guard, watchman, okay, teacher, tailor, whatever. Place, it can be school, park, playground, swimming pool. Okay, home. Animal, cat, dog, bird, hippopotamus, elephant, rats. These are the examples of animals. Things. Thing can be table, chair, wood, tree, leaf, car, etc., etc. Okay, these are the examples of thing. So I have told you, children, that nouns can be further divided into two main parts. These are proper noun and common noun. Other than these, there are many other nouns, but mainly we need to know proper noun and common noun. So proper noun is what? Proper noun is a name of proper noun is name of a person, particular person. See, for example, Ronit, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Verma. Okay, so if we specify name of a person, place, animal or thing, we can also give a name of a place. See, now I have written name of a place for proper noun. Taj Mahal, Red Fort. It can be the White House. Okay, many more places. Okay, like this. So particularly, if you name something in particular, say it be it for a person, place, animal or thing, it will be coming under proper nouns. Now common nouns are names of person, place, animal or thing which we want to specify in general, which does not have a specific or particular name. Okay, magician goes for any magician, it can be any magician. Okay, but when we give a name of that magician, say PC Sarkar, okay, then that is a proper noun. But any magician, joker, magician, pilot, okay, these are just common noun. Okay, guard, watchman, all these are common noun. Doctor, these are common nouns. Examples of common noun: garden, place, name of place, garden, playground, school, stadium, all these are common noun. Name of place, that falls under common noun. Dog, this is a common noun of animal. Dog, cat, bird, then elephant, many other animals, names of animals. Okay, but these also, if we have, say for example, if we pet some animals in our house, we give a specific name to that dog. Okay, Bruno, we are giving a name. It can be a specific breed also. We the Labrador dog, the Spitz dog. Okay, these kind of names, if we give, these comes under proper noun. Now, common noun of thing. Car, for example, is a common noun, but when we give a specific name to that car, a Mercedes car or a Maruti car or a Suzuki car, then it comes under proper noun. Do you get the idea of common noun and proper noun, children? I hope you have understood the differentiation of common and proper by now, children. So all these words are names of people, animal, places or things. They are naming words. Naming words are called nouns. So this is just an idea of your previous class. So in order to revise the things that you must have forgotten by now, I hope you did not forget. I just revised the noun chapter with you, and now I have already discussed with you some of the exercises also. I will give you some exercise to solve as your homework in your homework copy, which you will do. Okay, at that time you will get a well understanding of this noun exercise. Even if you have not got, you let me know in the comment section, and I will start my next chapter tomorrow. Okay, till then, take care. Goodbye.